Get ready, start. Police and advocates play a pivotal role in justice delivery system in any criminal matter. Stop. They are, unquestionably, bound by probity, integrity and professional ethics. Stop. They have to show utmost respect to principles of moral values as well. Stop. Though, any advocate enjoys privileged relationship with his client, he has, certainly, no business to frame anyone in a false case. Stop. Police in particular has to ensure that no innocent is incarcerated while, at the same time, not letting off any guilty. Stop. Present case tells a sordid tale of two police officials and an advocate who, with the help of others, have shown the audacity of framing an innocent man in a serious case of rape in a very ingenious manner. Stop. Para. On 6/6/2000, Sri Sushil Gulati within bracket PW12 bracket close was sitting in the office of Balraj Bhasin situated at Rajouri Garden Extension. Stop. Dr. Jeevan Prakash Gandhi came rushing to him in a perplexed state and told that someone had intruded their house and was misbehaving with his daughter-in-law. Stop. Sushil Gulati, along with Balraj Bhasin, immediately rushed to the house of Dr. Gandhi, where they saw CM Datta within bracket 83 bracket close misbehaving with the wife of Dr. KD Gandhi within bracket PW9 bracket close. Stop. Sushil Gulati already knew him as earlier Sri C.M. Datta was posted as Chowki in charge in Rajouri Garden area. Stop. They rescued Jeevan Lata Gandhi from the clutches of C.M. Datta within bracket A3 bracket close. Stop. Accused C.M. Datta left the house but not before threatening and abusing. Stop. Such incident resulted in registration of FIR number 579/2000 under section 354/506 IPC against accused CM Datta. Stop. Registration of such molestation case infuriated him and he threatened to implicate them in a false case. Stop. Power and Power Company. Stop. She came in contact of accused Haji Muhammad Altaf within bracket A1 bracket close, a practicing lawyer at this Hazari courts who had earlier helped her in procuring one handicapped certificate. Stop. She had to leave her said marketing job and she again came in contact of A1 Haji Muhammad Altaf in order to ascertain as to what opportunities one could avail on the basis of said handicapped certificate. Stop. Para. FIR number 852/2000 PS Rajouri Garden within bracket state versus Haji Muhammad Altaf etc. bracket close page 2 there, she also happened to meet Savita within bracket PW2 bracket close and accused Samir Ahmad at the rate of Sonu within bracket A4 bracket close. Stop. Sonu was working as Munshi in these Hazari courts and was associated with A1 Haji Muhammad Altaf. Stop. Since, Rajni Gupta was in need of money for the purpose of one operation, she was asked to become part of conspiracy. Stop. She was told That said, police official slash accused CM Datta had been suspended because of the deposition of Sushil Gulati and therefore Sushil Gulati was to be implicated in a rape case. Stop.